On March 3, GAC Honda P7 held a Technology Experience Day event at the test site of GAC Honda Automobile Research and Development Incorporated and was introduced. In terms of product power, GAC Honda P7 has obvious advantages. Built on Honda's intelligent and efficient pure electric W architecture, the vehicle has two driving modes of single-motor rear-wheel drive/dual-motor four-wheel drive, 50-50 golden ratio weight distribution at the front and rear, and a suspension structure with high adjustment freedom, laying the foundation for high-level driving pleasure. The torsional rigidity of the vehicle body is as high as 40,000 Newton-meters per degree, and combined with technologies such as double vibration isolation of the front subframe and 3D gyroscope-controlled shock absorption, it provides superior stability. The car body is made of up to 68% high-strength steel and comes with 13 airbags as standard. In 2024, it won the CCB China Top 10 Car Bodies Award, and the battery uses a 12,000-ton integrated die-cast aluminum shell to form a cross-level safety defense line. In terms of 3 electric and 2 intelligent systems, the P7 is comparable to the latest new energy vehicles. 3 core electrical components, including a 90-degree CATL ternary lithium battery and a dual-motor four-wheel drive power system, make it as strong as a tiger and as stable as an hour. 4-zone recognition, AI voice interaction, wake-up-free continuous talk, Honda Sensing 360+. Advanced intelligent driving and other dual intelligence core elements achieve L2+ level intelligent driving, allowing users to activate intelligence when tired and leave the driving pleasure behind. P7 never compromises on safety and quality. The battery is not afraid of low temperature/high altitude, and is made of high flame retardant and high heat insulation materials, 12,000-ton integrated die-cast aluminum die-cast IPU body, etc., ensuring battery safety. Passive safety configurations such as 2024 CCB China Top 10 Car Body, standard 13 airbags for the entire series, Honda's unique FCD function, and active safety configurations such as self-developed wire-controlled brake system plus Bosch ESP double backup protection ensure the safety of users. One of the highlights of P7 is the luxury pleasure. The first-in-class dual front seat headrest, 1.85 ultra-large skylight, 27 kinds of AI intelligent light languages, library-level NVH experience, and Bose sound system with unique smart heat intelligent heating system in its class, make users feel like they are in a luxurious mobile palace. In terms of appearance, P7 is a sharp response to the electric era dominated by roundness. The wide-body, low-altitude coupe shape and low wind resistance design are very similar to Unit 01. 3-stage limiters are used on the car door, and the maximum opening angle can be up to 90 degrees. Extra-large panoramic skylight that blocks strong ultraviolet light with one click. In terms of spatial layout, it offers a comfortable wide flat area with a room ratio of 85.8%, which is the leader in its class. GAC Honda P7 has eliminated 8 long-standing problems of pure electric vehicles, turning them into real pleasure points. With the ultimate balance between luxury, control, and safety, it breaks the impossible triangle in the reality of luxury pure electric vehicles. It is a car that you won't want to get off once you drive it, and you won't want to change once you own it.